In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a board in Monday.com. Copying a board is really useful when you already have a structure that works and you want to reuse it, instead of building everything from scratch. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can do this confidently on your own. First, log into your Monday.com account in your browser. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main navigation panel where all your boards are listed. Take a moment to locate the specific board you want to copy. If you have a lot of boards, you might need to scroll a bit until you find it. When you found the board you want to duplicate, move your mouse over its name. On the right side of that board's name, you'll see a small More Options icon. This is usually represented by 3 dots. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Duplicate. Go ahead and click Duplicate. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is where you'll decide exactly how you want your new board to be created. At the top of the pop-up, you'll see a field where you can enter a new board name. Type in a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can easily recognize what this board is for. You can always rename it later, but it's helpful to start with something meaningful. Next, you'll choose what you want to duplicate. You'll see 3 main options. The first option is to duplicate the board structure only. This means you'll copy the columns, groups, and the overall layout, but none of the items or data inside it. The second option is to duplicate the board structure and items. This creates a copy with the same layout and all of the existing items, but without any of the communication history attached. The third option is to duplicate the board structure, items, and updates. This is the most complete copy, including layout, data, and all the updates or conversations on each item. Select the option that best fits your situation. You'll also see a choice to keep the board subscribers. If you turn this on, the same people who have access to the original board will automatically have access to the new one as well. Once you've set the name, chosen what to duplicate, and decided about subscribers, click the Duplicate button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Now, wait a moment while your page reloads. After it finishes, look again at the list of boards on the left side. You'll see your newly copied board in that list, with the name you just gave it. Click it to open and start using your duplicated board right away.